In 2023, Kamala Harris's "Everything is in Context" quote went viral, sparking lime green memes on TikTok. This, coupled with Charlie XCX's endorsement, led to Harris's campaign adopting similar branding. Despite initial low approval ratings, Harris's popularities, who were initially unenthusiastic about Biden, were more likely to vote for Harris and actively register to vote. This indicates the significant influence of social media and young voter turnout on the 2024 election.
Cheney and Bill Clinton's VP Al Gore. But something changed once Harris took over. Her approval ratings immediately skyrocketed, and several polls are now suggesting she may well have overtaken Republican candidate Donald. Interestingly, even though young voters weren't exactly enthused by the prospect of voting for Joe Biden before his withdrawal, some polling suggested they were actually even less keen on Harris. A Quinnipiac poll done just before Biden dropped out, for instance, had Harris losing to Trump by an astonishing 19 points with under 34s, with Harris. Any more, do add them in the comments. The first is Harris's social media campaign strategy. After an onslaught of TikTok memes inspired by Charlie X. US aged under 30. The second is Harris's demographic. There's data to suggest that Gen Z may be drawn to the fact that Harris is a mixed-race woman of color, half Indian and half for a ceasefire, describing the situation in Gaza as intolerable.